What's going on, people? It's your boy Mr. Mitos here, back with another video. Check this out, guys. I know it's kind of late, but we made it to the park, and I got these paddle tires on here. So it's a night run, kind of, sort of. Ain't no lights on here, but we gonna run it. We're gonna see how it goes. Got a wheelie bar on here just in case it decides to flip over. This is from the Omni Terminator. We got a bumper in the front. You feel me? I do have the GPS in here. I don't know how that's going to pan out, but we got it in here anyway. Let's track it. Let's start, stop, read. And I think I'm really low on my battery on my phone that I'm recording on. So if this cuts off, then it'll just be a continuation in the morning. You feel me? So with that being said, let's see if we can get about 5 minutes of run time here, guys. Let's get it. Let me turn down the throttle. Really sick. Not really sick. Really quick. Just to get a feel for it. Oh, okay. Oh man, it's moving. Oh, and it almost tipped over. Oh my gosh. Oh man, it's moving out here. Look at that. Dang. It ain't playing no games. You can barely see it.
Telemetry recovered.
Let me come out here. Dang, man. You guys can barely, I know you can barely see it. Boy, oh boy. It's moving.
Telemetry lost.
Ah, I need a light.
Telemetry recovered.
This is on 63%. Yeah, these paddles has got it scooting across this field.
Telemetry lost.
Damn.
Telemetry recovered.
Yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. Gosh. Now I gotta get a light on it.
Telemetry recovered.
I'm just curious. How fast is this damn thing going? Oh, did I not start it? 39 miles an hour. That's not bad. Let me see. Let's go. Let's do 100. I know it's gonna flip, but we're gonna do it anyway.
Maximum trim reached.
It's 100.
Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
Last thing I want
Telemetry
is to have to
lost.
go out there and get it.
Recovered. Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered. Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
Ah! It almost tipped.
Telemetry lost.
I think it could benefit from that wide body.
Telemetry recovered.
Yeah, these tires is it, guys. I'm not gonna hold you. Yeah, these is it. I'm gonna have to come back out here during the day so we can get better footage of this bad boy. But it's getting up out of there. Yes, sir. Yo.
Telemetry lost.
Yes, 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 yes. It's not playing any games, guys. Stable on-road and off-road. I think RLAARLO got a winner here, guys. For real, for real. Swap them electronics out. Put this XCSC in this bad boy. For real, for real. Man. Man, I should have came out here earlier today. Damn. Damn. For sure, 100%, this will do rooster tails if it was some dirt. Some loose dirt out here. It's holding it down. That wheelie bar is really keeping it planted. I loosened up the suspension. The shocks are that's juice. That's full trigger. It ain't going nowhere. It's limping back. Damn, that's a 2200 milliamp 3S battery for you guys. Well, there we have it, guys. To be continued. I'll be back. Peace and blessings. Gone.